Hi guys, today we're gonna do a lift tour at Marina Square. We're gonna test that how I managed to realize in such a long time, like literally 4 years, that you could actually change the camera resolution on your iPhone. And yeah, this is the lift tour to test it. I'm not actually that much into lifts, that's why this lift tour is actually really short. You might think it's actually really short, but it took me quite a while to get into one of these lifts alone. So I really okay, maybe the work put into here wasn't that much, but still it's work anyways. So let's just get on with the video. Anyways, we're off to not so good start. The escalator isn't actually working. This diagram isn't that accurate, but the first lift that we're gonna be taking is the one on the furthest right. The set of two lifts, I'm not even going to edit and point to where they are because I'm too lazy, but yes.
Going up. Third floor. Going down. Second floor.
Now we can go on to the next lift.
Going up.
Whoa.
Door closing.
I can only do a single trick at once because someone else wants to go
The
down.
doors indicated by the lock are open.
What? What way does that make sense? I like this new 60 FPS. This is actually quite nice. I know it might make the camera feel slightly more shaky, but it'll be worth it. At least FPS is better. Like FPS is way more important in the amount of frames. I mean, the FPS is more important than the what's that called? The video quality. Oh, I mean resolution. Yeah, resolution. Yes.
Are open. Going down. Door closing.
Oh,
Door closing.
is it smart? Let's see. Hey yo,
Second floor.
delicious
The
brains.
doors indicated by going down.
Orange and teal. I actually don't like that flavor together. Those two. Actually, I like orange juice.
Story 1.
And wow, I don't know what you mean by flavor
Going
teal.
up.
What's the flavor teal, guys?
Story 2.
There's these weird cylindrical chairs. They're not really chairs. Does it spin to your heart's content? Oh, they really mean that. Like, can you fit? You can fit a marble in there. That's nice. Let's wipe the next bit. Oh, let's not break the law. That's happened multiple times before.
story 3. Going down.
This lift took me a total of 20 minutes just to record it once, because one lift wasn't working. This took actually quite long. I waited 15 minutes.
3rd floor. Going down.
You know, in the malls, if they say that you can't record, that technically means that when you are recording someone's child, like the parent, technically that's also illegal, right? Technically, none of us obey that rule. That's what that rule, bro. Because who actually follows it? We all don't. Unless you actually abide by the rule. If you actually abide by the rule, something's wrong with you. That was a joke.